Welcome back to a new video guys. Today we are going to talk about how to off name password in Geo for Next guys. How can you off your name password in Geo for Next guys? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So now let's start video friends. First of all, open your setting app friends. After that, click on security, screen lock, enter your password Sonu, and guys after you can see no option, so click here, and guys device protection feature will be not work without your password. So guys yes, remove it. So guys now you can see there is no any name password in my Geo for Next. So I think guys you have understood how to off name password in Geo for Next. So bye bye guys, thank you for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.